Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to post on Pinterest. The first step that you need to know is if you go to create, you have a few options. You can create a board, a collage or a pin. And I will show you in this video how you can create a pin, because the pin is the post that you need, or is the most important post in my opinion. If you want to create collages, that's also fine. And if you want to create a mood board or something like that, you can click on mood board. We click now on pin. And right now, if you can see, he will throw us two or photos. Now I want to create a pin with this picture. Yeah, we can select more, but I want just one picture, and then we click on next. Right now we can give it a title, so something like notebook. Give it a description, give it a link. If you want to promote your videos on Instagram or YouTube or TikTok, then please give it the link to that video or something like that here. Yeah, you can pick a board, no, just on my social profile, that is fine. And right now, if you click on create, he will upload it. And right now, if you go to saved and refresh this, you see that we just created a post on Pinterest by clicking on that by saved. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.